In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Dropbox sync your documents folder. Now, syncing your documents folder with Dropbox is a great way to ensure that all your important files are readily available across all your devices, safely backed up in the cloud. Let's dive into the process step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your documents folder seamlessly syncing with Dropbox. First, start by opening your Dropbox folder on your computer. This is where you're going to set up the magic of easy access and secure storage. Once you have the Dropbox folder open in front of you, we're going to create a new folder right here. So go ahead and make a new folder and name it Documents. This is where the syncing will take place. So it helps to keep names consistent to avoid any confusion later. Now that you've created the Documents folder, our next step is to open it up. Simply double click on the Documents folder you just made and it should open right up. With the folder open, look to the top of your window where you'll find the address bar. In this address bar is the location path of your folder. Click on it and copy this location. This location is crucial as it acts like the GPS coordinates for where all your files need to sync to. After you have the location copied, turn your attention to the left-hand side of your file explorer. Here, you should find your computer's default Documents folder. Give it a right click and select Properties from the drop down menu that appears. In the Properties window, navigate to the Location tab. This tab is essentially the control center for determining where the contents of the Documents folder are stored. You'll notice a field displaying the current path of your Documents folder. Next, click into that field and paste the location you copied earlier from your Dropbox folder. What you're doing here is rerouting the default path of the Documents folder to the one you just created in Dropbox. After pasting the location, go ahead and hit Apply. When you do this, you'll likely be met with a prompt asking if you want to move all existing files to this new location. Confirm by clicking Yes. This ensures everything currently in your Documents folder will now be available in the Dropbox version of the folder, securing them in the cloud, and just like that, you've set up your Documents folder to sync with Dropbox. Now, any file you add to your computer's Documents folder will automatically sync to Dropbox. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your files organized and backed up without any extra effort. Whether you're working from your primary device or checking files on the go, Dropbox has got you covered. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.